Once the machine is out of the box and everything is set with the pins in the proper holes, what we do suggest is for beer is purging the can with CO2 before you fill it with beer. So it's a 3-second purge with CO2, fill with beer. And when you fill the beer, you want to bring it all the way up to the top so the cap will displace some of the beer, so it's full. Stick it on the base plate, clamp it up, turn the machine on, activate the lever, and we have a factory sealed can of beer that you can take home to go and drink in a day or 30 days.